Oh, I can't even see you.
No?
Okay, let me get closer. Yeah.
Yeah.
I post these on YouTube so you can show your friends.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think Jordan told me that too.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
IKT Racing.
IKT Racing. Ben.
So you have the sticker already.
Yeah. That way I'll have to remember.
Okay, here we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
If it was clean, that's a good run.
Oh, yeah.
33,088. Tom Brook coming in now. Tom not satisfied with
27.6.
You're getting close.
Good, you're good luck. That was my fastest run of the day.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I am sometimes told that I am a good luck charm.
I think you are.